We've got behind us a brand new 2025 Cadillac Escalade, absolutely beautiful. Check it out over the next few days where you are going to see the transformation with PPF. Hi everyone, my name's Abby. I'm the brand director here at Approved Automotive, and we're looking today at this brand new 2025 Cadillac Escalade. Isn't she beautiful? Absolutely stunning. And the guys are about to put the first panel of PPF on, which is one of the front doors. As you guys know, we are fully pre-cut, so no need to remove any badges or panels. There are exemptions to the rule, which we'll speak about in our other videos, or if you've seen our videos before. But you can see even there, the space that the door handle was cut out. And also you're going to see the way that the door curves around past the A-pillar above there as well. So check it out. Okay, so you guys may or may not know we're only using XPEL. That is an American brand that I've been using personally for the last 8 years, and it's excellent. What you can see here is the gloss version, which is XPEL Ultimate Plus, and then you have a satin version as well, which is XPEL Stealth. You can use that on a satin painted or magno painted car, but you can actually also use it on a gloss car and make it a satin finish as well. And actually, I thought this was the first panel on the car, but if you go to the rear fender here, you can see that they've already popped this on, and you guys can get a better idea of the pre-cut. So see here, it's a little bit stuck down there because it's fresh. This is completely pre-cut, so it's the shape of the panel already. And on that note, let's go and check out our design room. I have been dying to show you guys our new curtain. Isn't that cool? We just got it because actually, if you've seen in our previous videos, this is some of our stock here, and as we mentioned, we're only using XPEL on the cars. You may see some other boxes here, but we're very transparent. This is going to be coloured PPF, also some vinyl in the corner there as well, colour PPF, windshield protection. But in terms of glossy and satin, normal PPF, only the XPEL. But we'll put this nice little curtain here so we can make it a little dream factory in there. And over to the Escalade, you're going to see this is our designer Wendell, and this is his design program, which is the XPEL software. But where Wendell goes above and beyond always is actually modifying the template. So this is the first time that we're actually doing a 2025 Escalade. So is there many differences in the previous Escalade?
Yes,
there is?
on the front bumper.
On the front bumper. So Wendell's saying there on the front bumper, there's quite a little difference, which you guys maybe saw at the beginning of the video there. And also another thing we discovered is we're actually going to be doing a little bit of interior PPF on this car as well, because there's a few kind of gloss finish areas where we can actually put PPF on. But a little bit of a pain, because actually the templates on the Escalade for the interior are still pending on the system. That means they're coming, but they're not here yet. And also that means that poor Wendell has to create them. Can you give us some of your templates you've created recently? Maybe a watch or some interior PPF for another car? So this is some of our templates. Do you guys recognize what it is? Might be difficult, give you a second. Think hard. Think, what does this look like the interior of? If you are a follower of our videos, then maybe you've seen it before. But if you're not a follower of our videos, then we're going to tag the video just up above us there, because it's a Bugatti Chiron with real Rolex gold inside, okay? So as much as we don't always like interior PPF, even if the templates exist or if Wendell can make them, we don't always advise it, especially on like areas with actual screens, because it's still a wet process putting PPF on. So even though it exists, we don't necessarily think it's the best thing always. And for example, if we have clients with screens like maybe a Tesla large screen or the Escalade in this case, I'm actually advising not to put PPF on the screen unless we find like a dry, you know, like a phone screen cover application, like it will be dry. We would put that on happily. But for the rest, of course, on that interior, we're going to be needing to put it on that Bugatti Chiron and needing to put it on this Escalade because we don't want to have any scratches and swirl marks building up as well. So we'll create the templates. Guys, we spoke about earlier in the video how the interior PPF templates are not on the XPEL software yet, unfortunately, and that is because the Escalade is a 2025 one, so it's very, very new. But fear not, when you have an excellent wizard designer like Wendell here, please put a wizard emoji, because we really need to showcase how good he is. I think he's not even listening to me. Wendell, I called you a wizard. So you're so good. See, now he's blushing. Look at these templates. Wendell has created these from scratch, essentially tracing the car itself and then putting it onto the computer so we can still pre-cut even though the pre-cut templates don't exist. So sometimes if we're telling you the templates don't exist, do not worry, it will still end up fully pre-cut and you don't need to have any issues with that. We'll get around it somehow. Absolutely incredible. Round of applause noise please too. So now we're about to start applying the window tint to the Cadillac Escalade, and as you can see here, it's pre-cut. Chris is just preparing the window there, so it's absolutely perfect to minimize the risk of any dust. And don't forget that our facility is hermetically sealed. So that means that we have a one-way system, and you can see the big doors there, and even a chamber for the exit outside to minimize the risk of any dust at all. Don't accept a window tint that looks like a galaxy because there's so much dust in it. Not acceptable, okay? Sliding into place exactly. This film is XPEL Prime XR Plus. It's a very, very good film. It even has lifetime warranty, 99% UV protection, no matter which shade you choose, even the 0%, between 92 and 98% infrared heat rejection as well. And you can see it's pre-cut by the machine, just like the PPF. So it will be precisionally pre-cut and fit perfectly to the car. So now Ramon here is about to put on the interior PPF, and don't forget this is completely made by our in-house design team because the templates don't exist yet. So this is just an example of how capable our team are here at Approved Detailing, and also, as we said, interior PPF is always, you have to be careful with it because at the end of the day it's a wet process inside a car where there's buttons and what have you. So we do everything we can, hence why we put the plastic here to protect any of those areas as well. So this 2025 Cadillac Escalade is now fully protected with XPEL Ultimate Plus. We've also done full XPEL Prime XR Plus window tint, also interior ceramic on the rims as well, and then some custom special interior PPF for the owner as well. Guys, I hope you liked our video today. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm going to see you next time. Bye!